Hey YouTube, thanks so much for watching my Mandarin raspberry smoothie video. First, peel and cut one banana and freeze it. Also freeze about a cup and a half of raspberries. Freeze them for at least an hour. Peel 3 Mandarin oranges. Mandarins are one of the easiest citrus fruits to grow from what I've read. One avocado. Dye. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Whip it out. This is how I peel it. And dice it. I love avocados. A lot of vitamins and nutrients. About a cup and a half of almond milk. And add everything together. Frozen fruit on top. Small handful of ice. Blend it for at least 2 minutes. I'm using a presetting for smoothies. Find a complete recipe on the STEEM blockchain linked in the description. And it's ready to drink. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.